Hey everyone, this is Teacher Bridge, and let us review for the upcoming licensure exam for teachers. So here are a drill, okay? So let's just make it short. You may review this video naman and to memorize this simple drill. So let us all start. Let's start from the proponents, okay? Operant conditioning. B.F. Skinner, Psychological, Carl Jung, Education for All. So the clue word is Golden Rule, Confucius, Connectionism, Edward Thorndike, Psychosocial, Eric Erikson, Classical Conditioning, Pavlov, Cognitive, Piaget, Realia, Pestalozzi. Instrumental conceptualism, Jerome Bruner. Learning by Dewey, John Dewey. Tabula rasa, John Locke. Moral development, Lawrence Coburn. Social cognitivists or the scaffolding, Lev Vygotsky. Psychosexual, Sigmund Freud. Ang favorite ng lahat. Psychological, William Sheldon. Okay, so by the way, this is professional education. Here are Freud's psychosexual and psychoanalytical theory. Oral, this is for infant, 0 to 1 years old. Anal, 1 to 3 years old. This is for toddlers. Phallic, preschool. Latency, school age. Genital adolescence. Oedipus son to mom. Electra, this is daughter that. So here are the laws in education. Okay, let's start this kind of right. The Code of Ethics for Professional Teachers. Code of Ethics for Professional Teachers. PRCBR 435. Decree Professionalizing Teachers, PD 1006. Inclusion of the works of Jose Rizal. This is RA number 1425. Magna Carta for Public School Teacher, RA number 4670. CHED, RA 7722. TESTA Act of 1994, RA 7796. Philippine Teachers Professionalization Act of 1994, RA 7836. DepEd Law, or the Basic Education, RA 9155. Teachers Professionalization Act, RA 9293. K-12 Law, RA 10533. Private School Law, Act number 2706. Persons in Authority, Commonwealth Act number 578. Linggo ng Wika, proklama bilang 12. Linggo ng Wika naman ni Quezon. Yung una, Linggo ng Wika ni Balagtas, proklama bilang 12. Linggo ng Wika kay Quezon, proklama bilang 186. Buwan ng Wika ni Ramos, proklama bilang 1041. S-Tax, Philippine Constitution Act of 14. No limit of civil service eligibility, RA 1079. Free Public Secondary Education Act of 1988, RA 6655. Magna Carta for PWD, RA 7277. Anti-Child Abuse Law Amendment, RA 9231. This is RA 76. Establishment of Public Libraries, RA 7743. Anti-Sexual Harassment Act of 1995, RA 7877, Fair and Equitable Access to Education Act, RA 7880, Anti-Hazing Law, RA 8049, Maternity Act, RA 8187, Anti-Bullying, again, Anti-Bullying, RA 10627, Filipino as National Language, SP 1987, Article 14, Section 69. Okay, so now here are Brunner's three modes of representation. Okay, by the way, I have tips. So this video, there's an app you can look for different apps. Watch this, then i-transfer niyo siya, parang text to speech para so you could have your own reviewer. So this one are important things that might help you for the upcoming let. Okay, let's continue. Brunner's three modes of representation. An active, this is 0 to 1 year old. This is action-based information. Iconic, 1 to 6 years old. Image-based information. Then symbolic, this is 7 plus years old. This is code, symbols, such as language. Okay, here are the taxonomy of objectives. For cognitive, again, here are the taxonomy of objectives. For cognitive, we have Bloom, knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. Anderson, remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, creating. Affective, receiving, responding, valuing, organizing, characterization. Psychomotor for Simpson, reception, set, and guided response. For Harrow, reflex movement, fundamental movement. Okay, so um, this, these are the mistaken goals. Okay, attention seeker. So um, these are the keywords for professional education. So take note of this. Here are the mistaken goals. Attention seeker, for example, this is teacher, notice me. You are seeking for attention. Your student, your student is seeking attention, attention seeker. When we say revenge, teacher, I am hurt. Power seeking, teacher, may I help? Again, power seeking, teacher, may I help? Inadequacy, teacher, don't give up on me. Teacher, don't give up on me. Withdrawal, teacher, please help me. Okay, so now, here are Erickson's psychosocial tasks. First, we have trust versus mistrust. This is from 0 to 12 months. Autonomy versus shame and doubt. Again, this is Erickson's psychosocial task. Autonomy versus shame and doubt, 1 to 3 years old. Initiative versus guilt, 3 to 6 years old. Industry versus inferiority, 6 to 12 years old. Identity versus role confusion, 12 to 18 years old. Intimacy versus isolation, this is from early 20s to early 40s. Generativity versus stagnation, 40s, mid 60s. Integrity versus despair, mid 60s to death. Okay, so now this is for the 10 names of Filipino protagonists. Again, These are the pen names of Filipino protagonists. Let's start from Andres Bonifacio. Andres Bonifacio is May Pag-asa, Agapito Bagumbay. So, May Pag-asa, Andres Bonifacio. Taga-Ilog. Who is Taga-Ilog? Taga-Ilog is Antonio Luna. Magdalo, Emilio Aguinaldo. Di Masilao. At Tingkaan ay si Emilio Jacinto. Diego Laura, Graciano Lopez Hena. Yan, ulitin natin kasi ito ay mahalaga o importante. Sino si May Pag-asa? Andres Bonifacio, Taga-Ilog, Antonio Luna, Magdalo, Emilio Aguinaldo, Di Masilaw, Emilio Jacinto, Graciano Lopez Hena, si Diego. Amen. Okay, ito. Jo, Mapa. Jo, Mapa. Jose Maria Panganiban. Si Jo, Jose, Ma, Panganiban. Jo, Mapa, Jose, Panganiban. So, di masalang, laong-laan. Ating pambansang bayani, Jose Rizal. Juan Luna. Juan Luna. Ito, sino si Claridel? Dolores Manapa. Piping Dilat. Ito ay si Marcelo del Pilar. Claridel Marcelo del Pilar. Ito, sino naman si Tikbalang? Tikbalang Mariano Ponce. Tikbalang Mariano Ponce. Punta naman tayo dito sa mga uri ng pangungusap. So, walang paksa. Pag walang paksa, existential, dito ay mayroong isa o higit pang tao. Ulit, existential, may isa o higit pang tao. Halimbawa, mayroon daw puno sa bakuran. Existential. Mayroon daw puno sa bakuran. Puno, bakuran. Modal, nais, pwede, maaari. Ito, modal, nais, pwede, maaari. Halimbawa, gusto ko matulog. Panlipunan, ito yung pagbati, pagbigay galang, at iba pa. Paano naman ang sagot lamang? Sagot lamang, talaga? Oo. Oo. Sagot lamang. Sambitla, ito yung masidhing damdamin. Sambitla, halimbawa, aray. Aray. Temporal, panandali ang kalagayan o panahon. Pag temporal yung bawa kalagayan, panahon. Punta naman tayo sa kayarian ng pangungusap. Payak. Ito ay isang kaisipan lamang. Payak. Tambalan, dalawang sugnay na di makapag-iisa. Dalawang sugnay na di makapag-iisa. Ugnayan, madalas nagsisimula sa kung dahil sa, simula sa kung dahil sa. Kapag langkapan, ito ay mahabang pangungusap. Dito na tayo sa mga uri ng kwento. Mahal ka din. Medyo Filipino, hindi siya basta Filipino. Dapat may tutuunan pa rin ng pansin. Kasi may mga tanong na medyo marami ang mga katanungan sa Filipino. Ito, mga uri ng kwento. Okay, ito ay pabula. Ito ay fable. Ito ay tungkol sa mga hayop. Parabola, ito naman yung parable sa English. Ang mga kwento ay galing sa Biblia. Yan, ito yung mga tauhan, may mga story dito na kinuha sa Biblia. Yan. Anekdota, ito yung anecdote. Ito yung sa tunay na buhay. Mitolohiya, ito yung myth. Ito yung may mga Diyos at Diyosa, yung doon sa mga pinagmulan. Punta naman tayo sa aspekto Hindi spektrong pandiwa ay mahalaga. Marami tatanungin tungkol dito. Okay. Spekto ng pandiwa, ito ay verb. Okay? Spekto ng pandiwa, ito yung verb. Okay. Magsimula tayo sa perpektibo. Halimbawa, tumakbo. Imperpektibo, tumatakbo. Kung ang perpektibo ay tumakbo, imperpektibo ay tumatakbo. Kontemplatibo, tatakbo. Okay, yan yung verb. Paano naman pag-adjective? Pag-adjective, ito yung kaantasan ng pang-uri. Kaantasan ng pang-uri. Una, lantay. Ito yung walang pinaghahambingan. Kapag pahambing naman, inihahalin tulad. So, inihahalin tulad. Kapag pasukdol, dito yung nangingibabaw. Halimbawa, yung pinakamataas. Punta naman tayo sa mga uri ng tula. Mga uri ng tula, merong patula, yung kagaya moro-moro, patula. Pagpasalaysay, epiko, awit, korito. Ito naman tayo sa mga awiting bayan. Pag mga awiting bayan, dalit o himno, ito yung pagsamba sa anito o pangrelihiyon. Diona, ito yung kasal. Dungaw, patay, ito yung pagdadalamhati. Kalusan, paggawa. Kumintang, tagumpay o pandigma. Kundiman, ito yung mga awit tungkol sa pag-ibig. O yayi, ito yung awit na pampatulog ng bata, lalapay. Soliranin, soliranin, pagsasagwan, talindaw naman ay pamangka. Punta naman tayo sa pagbabagong morponomiko. Similasyon, parasyal, ang sukli. Ito yung ganap, pagganap, pamukuli. May angkop, wikain mo, kamo. Wikain mo, kamo. May sudlong, pagdaragdag ng ponema, ito yung muntik, magiging muntikan. Pagmuntikan, pagmuntikanan. Metathesis, linipad, nilipad yung linipad, naging nilipad. Pagkakaltas ng ponema, halimbawa, takipan, magiging pan. Paglilipat diin yung laruan, yung laruan, playground, magiging laruan, magiging yung toy. Again, paglilipat diin, nililipat yung din. Laruan, ito yung playground, magiging laruan, yung toy. Pagpapalit ng ponema naman, yung halimbawa, pagpapalit ng ponema, madapat, magiging marapat. Madapat, marapat. Ito naman yung mga uri ng panghalip o pronouns. Halimbawa, kapag panao, may personal pronouns, ako. Pamatlig, ito yung demonstrative pronoun. Ito, yung this. Panaklaw, ito yung indefinite pronoun. Isa, on, and one. Patulat, ganito, ganyan. Pananong o yung interrogative, sino, yan, patanong ito, sino, ano. Pamanggit naman o relative pronoun yung daw, umano, yung daw, umano. Yan. Okay, so na lang ba yung mga susunod. Okay, yan. So, ito ay ulitin lamang ang mga drill na ito. This might help you. And good luck. And you